Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best beer blizzard on the market, the Frostbuddy Universal Can Cooler. If you're tired of switching between different coolers every time you want to change your drink, this product might just be the game changer you need. The Frostbuddy Universal Can Cooler is designed to fit all your favorite beverages, whether it's a regular 12-ounce can, a larger 16-ounce can, slim cans, or even bottles. That means no more hunting for the right size cooler. This one does it all. Made from insulated double-walled stainless steel, it's built to keep your drinks cold way longer than typical can coolers. One of the standout features is its ability to keep your drink up to 20 times colder for 24 hours. Imagine being at the beach, fishing, or hosting a backyard barbecue and having your beverage stay ice cold for an entire day. This isn't just marketing hype. The Frostbuddy uses a patented lid and internal design that not only insulates exceptionally well but also lets you switch out cans or bottles seamlessly without losing that chill. The material is matte black stainless steel, giving it a sleek, durable look and feel. It's lightweight, weighing just under a pound, so it's easy to carry around wherever you go. The universal size also means it's incredibly versatile, accommodating a wide range of drink sizes with ease. Another key point is its small business origin, meaning your purchase supports a growing brand focused on quality and innovation. The Frostbuddy comes packaged thoughtfully, with dimensions that make it easy to store or pack along on any adventure. Throughout this video, we'll be putting the Frostbuddy to the test in different scenarios, from chilling a slim hard seltzer can to keeping a 16-ounce beer bottle frosty in the hot sun. We'll see how it holds up in terms of insulation, usability, and overall design. If you're someone who enjoys outdoor activities or just wants to keep your drinks cold longer without fuss, this product might be worth considering. It eliminates the hassle of multiple coolers for different can sizes and adds a touch of style with its modern look. Stay tuned as we show you how this Universal Can Cooler works in real life, why it's become a favorite for so many, and whether it lives up to the promise of the best beer blizzard. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product critiques from us here at Product Critique. Let's get started.